Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz GLC 2.1 GLC 220d AMG Line Premium G-Tronic 4MATIC. This vehicle is a diesel automatic, is ULEZ compliant, and is finished in selenite grey metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the selenite grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space you could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black Artico leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable as well as memory seats, so once you've found a comfortable position you are able to save it, and for those colder days they are also heated as well. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, as well as buttons to control your information panel. And located on your steering column, you are able to find your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 70,657 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet the safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to, along with Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have your rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. As well as this vehicle also features a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. This has been a presentation on the Mercedes-Benz GLC 2.1 GLC 220d AMG Line Premium G-Tronic 4MATIC that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.